Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Nissan Altima radio. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your radio is powered on and the volume isn't turned all the way down. Sometimes, a simple adjustment is all it takes. Also, confirm your car battery has enough power, as a low battery can cause electrical issues. A quick visual inspection for damage is also a good first step. Next, we'll investigate the fuse. Your Nissan Altima has a fuse box, often found under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Consult your owner's manual to pinpoint the exact fuse for your radio. If you find a blown fuse, which looks like a broken wire inside, replace it with a new one that has the identical amperage rating. This is a common fix for many electrical problems. If the fuse isn't the issue, a simple reset might do the trick. Carefully disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Leave it disconnected for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the radio's internal system to fully discharge and reset. Reconnect the terminal securely and then test your radio. This method often resolves minor software glitches. If your Nissan Altima radio still isn't working after these steps, it might be time to consult a professional. Persistent problems could indicate a more complex issue, such as a faulty wiring harness or an internal component failure within the radio unit itself. These repairs often require specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix correctly, ensuring your car's electrical system remains safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.